Okay, students, hopefully you can hear me on this one and it's working. So welcome to today's video, homework video. We are working on combining like terms for these 6 problems. It says distributive property, but we did the distributive property ones in class. So right now we're just going to be doing the shapes and we're just combining like terms. We're just practicing that. Okay, so for number 1, remember, look back at your shapes. Squares go on the variable terms. Circles go on the constant terms. So remember, a variable term is something with a letter, and a constant is just a number in the expression. Okay, so for the first one, negative 10b, that is a variable term, so I'm going to put a square. And plus 1b, that is also a variable term, so I'm going to put a square. When I combine those, I add them together, negative 10 plus 1, and that is negative 9b. That is your answer. Number 2, negative 1x, variable term, so put a square. And negative 3x is a variable term, so put another square. Again, these are both variable terms, so you can just combine them, add them together. Negative 1x and negative 3x. When you add those together, same sign, add and keep, it's negative 4x. Number 3, here's our first constant. So 1 is not a variable term, so it gets a letter. A circle, sorry. Positive 5v, variable term. Positive 1v, another variable term. So my constant is still going to be positive 1. I don't have any other circles to combine, so I'll just bring it down. And then 5v plus 1v is 6v. And that is your final answer. For number 4, we're going to box negative 7 in and box positive 10 in. We are going to circle negative 7 and negative 8. Okay, combine your squares, negative 7 in plus 10 in. So remember, same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So negative 7 and positive 10 are different signs. So we're going to subtract 10 minus 7, and that's 3. So we can keep the sign of the larger number, so 10 is positive, so we make it positive 3. Don't forget to write the in. Some of you guys were forgetting to put the variable in class. So 3 in, that's what you get when you combine your squares, and then we'll combine our circles. Same sign, add and keep. So negative 7 and negative 8 is negative 15. Okay. Number 5. 5k is a variable term. 7k is another variable term. So we have 2 boxes, so just add them together. 5k plus 7k is 12k. Last one, we have a 1a, a negative 2, a positive 1. Those both get circles, and the positive 4a gets a box. So this is a 1a here, invisible one. 1a plus 4a is 5a. Negative 2 plus 1, different sign, subtract. So 2 minus 1, and keep the sign of the larger number. So 5a minus 1. Alright guys, this was a super short homework and a super short video, so I'll see you tomorrow.